Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best grease guns for heavy equipment that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DEWALT DCGG571M1 grease gun for heavy equipment. Starting our day with the most powerful battery-powered grease gun for heavy equipment deals. DCGG571M1 series, manufactured by DEWALT, makes itself stand out from the crowd by delivering variable speeds. Regardless of amp power, the 4Ah lithium-ion battery becomes an ultimate power supplier. 20V acceptance lasts your battery till the task ending, whether by managing up to 16 cartridges. The worth of pressure about 10,000 psi is perfect for tougher jobs, though heavy material tools from DEWALT are always well enough for those. Apart from its fame, an integrated pumper provides good combines while delivering grease per minute, around 5 pounds. It makes your tougher jobs much comfy, whether the pump filter provides a clear indicator view. Both 42 hose and a pair of bright LED lights give access for greasing hard areas and causing no damage to the handle with no mar tip existence. Moving on at number 4, we have the Lincoln 1162 pneumatic grease gun for heavy equipment. This is something upgraded and unbeatable at this budget from Lincoln, serving rugged withstand tools since 1910. Manufacturing grease guns to meet all lubrication tasks in heavy equipment, such as this 1162 pneumatic grease gun. Its special design has been engineered for providing users more capacity and power. Comes with a manual operating system by hand, which saves power by a 30 inches flex air hose rather than a battery extension length. The entire system acts like an auto controller. And the variable speed trigger, damn awesome for grease flowing. Unlike other models, a combination of a small valve and filler coupler allows bulk grease filling, as well as keeps your indicator view always clean. At number 3, we have the Milwaukee 2646-22 CT grease gun for heavy equipment. Another versatile heavy grease gun with a multi-voltage charger right out of your toolbox. But with a cord operating system, do not think it will limit its mobility. You will get more freedom by the afterward charger to move it everywhere. You can thank its solid cast materials for careful manufacturing and increasing its longevity. On top of that, 2 versatile flow rates, about 10 ounces per minute, makes it faster to grease from rather than similar models. Means the battery will carry on 10 fillers per charge. Offering both priming mechanisms and a combination of valve and filler coupler is available, either for accepting cartridges or bulk grease filling. The 48 inches hose length speeds up the performance in difficult spaces. Also, it makes it easy with clipping on the gun's top. At number 2, we have the LockNLube Professional Heavy Duty Pistol Grease Gun. Next, pistol grip grease gun from LockNLube, small, yet pro-graded and powerful. Packs 8,000 psi in dual swivels, 3,500 psi per swivels. A 20 inches hose makes the swivel fitting easier. So, the flow rating is high time, in terms of stroke per 1 ounce, about 37 strokes. There is a convenient rubber grip at the pistol-shaped bottom. It provides comfy and safer greases at each time. Compatible with ranging 14 to 15 ounce standard grease canisters, even you have options to reload with your available greases. Featuring a unique design, lock, and loop. For further applications, this term keeps your used coupler fresh. LockNLube is confident enough about material quality. As an upgraded design, patented both bulk fill and small valve together for faster grease filling. And finally at number 1, we have the Lumax Lx1152 Heavy Equipment Pistol Grease Gun. Next is the Lumax Series 61152 gun. Allows to grease in confined areas, by loading up to 7,000 psi. You can consider it as a weight-to-price ratio class. yet powerful grip-powered pistol gun. It comes with 3 loading options. We have used direct loading with a canister to use indirect loading with its suction pump. While going through rapid tasks, you can change as many canisters as you can, though you only need a little amount without reciprocating an entire cartridge. Speaking of its barrels, constructed with steels, creates no soon-to-rust problem. Moreover, no rapid wearing out, no bending, and even no further scratches on the hard-wearing body during tight areas greasing. Such small ridged portions along the canister ensure ergonomic grip during operations. You can also thank its integrated non-marring tips out of the factory. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.